Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Zoom app that keeps stopping on your Android device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on Settings in your mobile. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Apps. This will open a list of all the applications installed on your device. From there, locate and tap on Zoom. Once you're on the Zoom app page, tap on Force Stop. This will immediately terminate any running processes of the Zoom app, which can help resolve many stability issues. A confirmation will pop up, so go ahead and tap OK to proceed. Now that you've force-stopped the app, it's time to clear its stored data. Tap on Storage and Cache. This section manages all the temporary files and data that the Zoom app has accumulated over time, which can sometimes cause the app to malfunction or crash repeatedly. Once you're in this section, tap Clear Cache. Clearing the cache removes temporary files without deleting your personal data or login information, so it's a safe first step to try. Next, tap on Clear Storage. This action will remove all the app's data, including your login credentials and settings, essentially resetting the app to its original state. A confirmation will pop up, so tap Delete to confirm. This step is important because corrupted data is often the root cause of apps stopping unexpectedly. After clearing the app's data, open the Play Store to check for any available updates. Tap the search bar at the bottom and search for Zoom Workplace, then tap it from the results. Once you're on the Zoom Workplace page, look for the Update button right beside the app name. If you find the Update button, just tap it to install the latest version. Although there is no Update button right now since my Zoom app is already updated, but if yours shows an update available, make sure to install it as updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Once you've completed these steps, restart your phone. This allows your device to refresh its system and apply all the changes you've made. A simple restart can often resolve lingering issues that persist even after clearing data and updating apps. If the Zoom app keeps stopping even after following all these steps, try to uninstall and reinstall the Zoom app. This will give you a completely fresh installation and should resolve any deeper issues with the app. And that's it, you've now addressed the issue with your Zoom app stopping unexpectedly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.